Hey, it's Steve again, and I know it's been a while since I've talked about this, but it is an ongoing issue, and I'm going to keep pushing these buttons until somebody actually does something about this. So, if you've been looking at potentially buying this 8-sleep system, you'll see 8 there. This is a king-size mattress cover with the hub, which is actually the heating and cooling station. This thing was 6 months old. This is actually a mattress cover, which I bought as well. You can see it from 8-sleep. And so, yeah, this thing is like a few grand. And after about 6 months of having this, using this, it stopped heating and cooling. And I think the reason is because of this hub. You can hear it working, but it wasn't pumping any water through. This is like a radiant heating and cooling system, and it wasn't working. So Joe Aranda, who's a VP of 8-Sleep, isn't replacing this, isn't fixing this. So if you're thinking about spending a lot of money on an 8-Sleep type of system, I recommend you think twice, because right now, those guys are absolutely terrible. Joe is the worst. So just to let you know, Joe Aranda, Vice President of Operations at 8-Sleep, dude, you need to do the right thing.